Hi traders, in this video I am going to just show you a trick that you can apply when you are coding with AI systems, and it is a short video now. I am not going to really add complex stuff, but for me this menu is kind of bad. I don't really like it, and I was thinking about to just go ahead and change it, but I was like, it is a video series after all about coding with AIs, so I want to show you everything that is possible. So let's just start. First of all, of course, we have our code here, which we copy, and we go into Claude. In this instance, I am not really going to code with ChatGPT, because for this specific task I think Claude is the best one out there. ChatGPT is not bad either, as I said, but for this it is quite awful. It is not really, it doesn't really understand what is going on. And so what we are going to do, and this is something really interesting also, is that we are going to copy the code, go to Claude, and tell it, hi mate, I hope you are well today. Why not? They said we shouldn't say hi and thank you, so I'm doing it in the longest way possible. Now, today, okay, I don't want to ask it boring and questions that are too human. So let's see. I have a great MT5 EA that your friend ChatGPT coded. Please code the same. What even code? Please make the input menu great, user friendly, and add sections and distinguish all the specific types of how would I say it? Actions? No. Okay. Entry, strategies, indicators, dynamic exits, money management, all these kind of things. Here is my code. Okay, I hope it's enough. Now also make sure that I can use the previous set files with it also. So needs to be the same in the logic of course. Let's see what we can do with this. Yes, exactly. I think it is going to, I don't know, we will see. Most of the time it is just I don't know, most of the time I would say Claude is really progressing. So first when I tried it a while back, it was not that great, but these times I think it improved a lot, and it understands what you want a lot better, but still it is really lying a lot. So many times it is just saying it applied something into the EA, and in actuality it doesn't exist, only the parameter, so it wanted to trick you. So you really have to check everything with it, because it can really lie. That we are going to see. Okay, so also the markets are still like, what is happening? It is just exhausting after a while. And you know, if you are watching the news, what is happening in the world, even from the rainforest, I am like, what is happening? Why people are this way? But of course, everything has a reason, and it's not just, I'm not saying it like spiritually. I'm saying it from a statistical standpoint. Like, if you take a look at history and game theory, you combine it to predictions or anything like that, you basically know that we are not going to run out of wars and conflicts, because the whole world, how it is built up from the very beginning, it is not the best. So we are going to have some tough times, and probably until, you know, humans are walking on this planet, this is going to be the thing that we are doing. And maybe just, oh, it is too long, okay, maybe just maybe there is going to be an AI god that is going to tell us what to do, you know. It's humanity. But I would say an AI god, maybe it is going to just say that maybe you should move somewhere else, leave each other alone. I don't know. Let's see if it was successful. What it is writing. Organization, emojis. Wow, we have emojis. Let's see. Also we have these emojis: general settings, money management. That's quite good. Dynamic exits, what is it? The door? Wow, I don't even know. Okay. Risk management. It's okay, it's a shield, it's good. User experience. Okay, many, you have many words, but I want to see action. So let's go. So I pasted the code here. Oh, we don't have any errors, but that doesn't mean that we are going to have the same results, but we need the same results, so let's just see. Okay, we had not around exactly. Okay, all the numbers, we are memorizing the numbers, it is very important. Okay, and let's see if it coded the same version just with different inputs, as it should, or not. After all, you know that we want to code a professional EA for the end of this series, which is pretty far away, because we have so many more things to do, and I want to show you as many things as possible. If you like this series, let me know, because I am actually planning to do a series on cTrader as well, because I am actually, like, when I started, I actually coded cTrader robots. So I started that as well, and like the structure a little bit, So if you are interested, let me know, because I'm going to then take it seriously, and after this series I'm going to do the cTrader one, which is quite different, and I really like it, but it is just not as popular as Metatrader. So we have some better sections here, like general settings. We have some like an emoji here, technical indicators. Okay, entry strategies. I like this. I like this ordering exit strategies, and now we have the RSI dynamic exit, volume momentum exit, volatility based exit, ATR. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. I like it. Risk management. We have the break even, the ATR, trailing stop. We have the partial position management. I like it. I think it is much better than the previous one. I would say I still want to improve it in the future, but now it is perfect. It is much better, and this code is going to go to the source code version, to Gumroad, that you can get. And I don't know how many updates we had so far, but I'm putting up so many updates there with set files, which every buyer is getting. Just if you are really into this code, you want to learn, you want to perfect it with all the sets and stuff, you want to follow this series a little bit like closer with all the codes that and the previous versions of the codes are also up there. Yeah, so, and if you want to basically support the series in a huge way, because this series is free for everyone. Most people, like, I don't know if a series like this even exists. Many traders wrote me that it basically doesn't exist, like series like this is this how would I say this, like transparent and detailed, I think it was the phrase. So, and I am not going to put it up, like remove it from YouTube, put it up at a Udemy or something like that. It's free, even if I I'm just saying I want it to be something that everyone can enjoy. So yes, this is much better. I like this kind of ordering, these sections, everything. We are going to improve it further, but this is pretty comfortable. Now we are going to run the test, and we are going to see what is going on, how it is going. Let's hope it is the same, because otherwise it is going to be a long night again. Or it is great, man, great stuff. So, and you could say, like, of course it is the same, but it's not like that. Many times when it is doing these reorderings and everything, this cleanup, it is really changing the code, which is crazy. But I think Claude really improved a lot, so it is a good it is definitely a good thing. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a short one, like, it is just a tip how to, if you don't know how to code, how to do it yourself, how to just ask the AI to do it for you, just to have a little bit better. And you can really say anything. You can, because here I was just saying, like, based on technical indicators and entry strategies and exit strategies, you can really tell it in much more detail how you want to order all these parameters. And if you are interested in that, I am going to shoot a quick video tomorrow about it, before our next bigger video, which I am actually going to shoot do with Claude, because we are going to add some very exciting feature into the EA, which you are going to all love. Yeah, and I am going to do some market analysis as well. I have a bunch of ideas, so you are going to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, share this series, And yeah, I think I am going to do an even more advanced menu, because I have some great ideas. I have so much desire to do it now, but I realized that people are not watching 30-minute videos. It is just the truth. Like the shorter videos was at 1,000 views, 1K, and the longer videos are like 100, 200 views. That's that. I am not doing it for the views, but that is a little bit too low. So I'm going to shoot many more smaller parts, but more frequently, which is good. And also, don't worry, I am going to shoot longer videos as well, but not as many, because people are just too much, and most people don't have that time, especially in these coding type videos. Okay, if you are interested in anything about this series, if you have, just suggestions, what to add, what you are mostly like, not just suggestions, but because I have a full outline, like structure now, what I'm going to show you. But if you have something that is you are very interested to see how the AI can solve it and how it can add to an EA, let me know in the comments. Ciao.